Welcome to this another productivity warrior interview. I'm here with Sachin Arora. He's a physics teacher. He joined my community 6 months back. He struggled with procrastination, Facebook addiction, and a lot of. But now he's very productive. His results are he killed his procrastination completely and Facebook addiction also completely removed. Now he's waking up early at 5 a.m. Sachin, how is your feelings? Welcome to this productivity warrior interview.
Yeah, I am very thank you, Ramesh, for giving me this opportunity for the interview. And I am really honored to
Mhm.
be part of your community and being interviewed by you for getting some
Yes,
results. I
because you
feel
got the
I feel
results. Yes,
accomplished. I feel accomplished.
yes, awesome. You accomplished. That's why you are here. Congratulations for that.
Yeah, thank you, Ramesh.
First, Sachin, tell me a short intro about yourself. What do you do, and how is your life? What's
Yeah, I am basically a physics teacher. I am a graduate, postgraduate in electronics.
your...
I reside in Delhi and I have done my studies from Delhi University and Jamia Millia Islamia.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, I joined a school as a PGT teacher. And along the way, I completed my B.Ed. So
Mm-hmm.
now I am a certified trained teacher and I teach high
Mm-hmm.
school students, class 11th and class 12th,
Mm-hmm.
physics. And
Wow.
along with that, I spend some time in teaching underprivileged students also.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't charge them any money for that.
Wow,
And
great.
especially these Corona days, many
Mm-hmm.
students have lost their the earning members of the family. So
Yes,
that
yes.
is a bit on from my side for the community.
Wow, great.
And this
So
was about
Sachin,
my
Sachin,
work.
tell me. Okay, great. Tell me about how is your life before you join this productivity empire and entire the journey of productivity. How is your life? What are the problems you are facing?
One of the biggest challenges which I have been facing in my life for many years was procrastination.
Mm.
Now, I was very clear in my mind what I am supposed to do
Mm-hmm.
and what I am supposed to do to achieve so and so things, but I never used to do it.
Mm.
I'll just, okay. I mean, basically, I always remained in my comfort zone, never doing anything that extra. I
Mm.
just do my job, I do whatever is required, and that's it.
Mm.
So, no growth in that regard. I
Yes.
mean, no growth in not exactly the vertical growth, but the horizontal growth, like,
Mm.
not getting new informations or
Yes.
being stuck at one place.
Stuck. Yes. That is called
Yeah.
being stuck in the same place.
Yeah, waking
And
up, going to school,
yes.
teach,
Mm.
coming back,
Mm.
sleep, wake up, teach,
Yeah.
and
It's like
that is
mediocre
the day.
routine. That is called
Very
mediocre
mediocre
routine.
period and even monotonous as well.
Mm.
So
Yes.
that was the biggest thing, and I have been trying to break into that teaching of the students to prepare them for the entrance exams, but I have not been able to do so from last 10 years. I'm thinking I've bought some books also, spent some
Mm.
money on it also, but never opened those books.
Yes. So tell me,
So
how is your feelings? How is your feelings of wasting time, being procrastinated, spending a lot of time on Facebook, completely waste of time, mediocre routine? How is your feelings and your family patterns when you are wasting time?
well, what I do most was to browse through my phone
Mm.
unnecessarily.
Mm.
Facebook being one of them,
Mm.
just going through the feed of the other people, what are they doing? I mean, without any emotions involved there. I mean, just
Mm.
like that,
Mm.
just pass my time, or maybe
Mm.
I start watching some videos on Facebook,
Mm.
and then I switch to YouTube as well, watching
Mm-hmm.
unnecessary videos, not something to be
Mm.
gained off, but just
Yes.
time pass videos, and
Yes.
of course that usual thing, Netflix and all those things. So basically, whatever the time which I used to be with me, which was like for a free time for me, and I used to just waste that time being
Mm.
lazy, just lying down on the bed, not
Mm.
doing anything.
Yes.
That is
It
the
is completely,
used to
yes.
be, I used to be best at that, doing nothing. I mean,
That is
not
called
even watching
cycle of
TV.
procrastination. It is a
Yes,
cycle of going deep and wasting a lot of time. The more time you waste, the more and more time you are about to waste. The people who are watching this, you might also feel the same. If you waste one day, you are more likely to waste the second day. If you are waste one day and second day, you are more likely to waste. It's a chain of procrastination, right, Sachin? Tell me, you went through the Facebook ad, you joined my boot camp, right? What is that one trigger point you joined to my inner circle? Why? What is that one reason why you have taken a decision to go leap of faith into my community?
well, I when I attended your boot camp, you
Mm,
gave us some trackers regarding,
mm,
the planning for the day, three goals
mm,
for the day,
mm,
and also, you also gave us a planner for the week, the entire
mm,
week. So basically, what you told in that boot camp that you can track yourself. You don't need the help of anybody else. You can
Mm,
set your own goals and you
mm,
can work towards those goals.
mm,
And you also talked about procrastination. So I thought that I
mm,
will try to follow your framework because I was unsuccessful in breaking that chain of procrastination.
mm,
But following your framework seemed to be an easy, I mean, it was actually like a comfort zone only. Ki somebody is telling me ki you have to do this. So I was doing that. Simple.
mm.
I mean, no
Yes,
brain
yes.
involved, no thinking
Awesome.
involved, just
Awesome.
doing whatever you are saying.
Awesome. Tell me something about how is the journey inside the productivity empire, because the people who are watching this might not know about our community, right? Tell me, how is the fire inside the community? What are the results you got using our community?
The most you can say the useful result which I got from using the community was to get
Mm,
rid of my Facebook addiction. Now I don't watch any Facebook at all, maybe
mm-hmm,
for 5 minutes just to go through
mm-hmm,
my memories, which I like to
mm-hmm,
go through. 5 minutes a day, Facebook, that's it.
mm,
And another thing which I was able to accomplish was attending your procrastination killer strategy
mm-hmm,
and following those steps and basically understanding the point that why was I procrastinating.
mm,
So that really helped. That really triggered that okay,
yes,
these are the reasons due to which I might be procrastinating. So I
mm,
started working on them, and I'm in the process of beating my procrastination.
definitely, definitely
And
beat such.
and during that journey, you started with
Mm,
an initiative called Wake Up Warrior,
yes.
where we were supposed to wake up at 5 a.m. every day,
Mm,
and we had to follow certain protocols like
mm-hmm,
dropping a message that you are now
yes,
up and
yes.
then your job is done, and for like this was like from 5:30 to 7.
Awesome.
So
Mm,
these 2 hours which you can say I was forced to wake up,
mm-hmm,
right? To be very frank, I was forced to wake up for these 2 hours,
mm,
but those 2 hours were extra in which I could do the things which I had been procrastinating on, which for which I always thought that I don't have time.
mm,
I worked on my fitness and I was managed to lose my weight.
mm,
And even more important than that, is there was a set routine. There was
mm.
a set routine that okay, you have to wake up at 5 and follow a certain guidelines. So
Awesome.
that has
Awesome.
really helped a lot. That has really helped a lot. I
Awesome.
had been an
Yes.
early riser because being a school teacher,
Mm,
I used to wake up at 5:30 to 5:45 and get
mm,
ready for school and all. But after that, the work from home thing, things started deteriorating, and I used to wake up at 7. So that
mm.
2 hours a day has given me a lot of impetus to work forward towards my goals. And the
Awesome.
best part is in your productivity blueprint, the best part was that you have told us to
Mm,
plan your entire year, then break that plan to 6 months, and then to month,
mm,
and then to week, and then to a day. So that has really helped. It
mm.
helps us to get a clear understanding, a clear path, ki what I am supposed to do next day.
Awesome. Mm,
So
yes.
that really helps.
Awesome.
But yes, I don't say that I follow it 100%, but yes, I do
Yes.
follow it.
Awesome. At least I can see that in the May hackathon, you become a Wake Up Warrior, right? Congratulations for that. I'm very aspired by the people like you, Sachin, because I have more than a lot of people in our community, but only top 20 people are action taker. Top 20% of the people are action takers, right? Tell me something about a focus like Monk accountability. You're struggling with focus. You have a lot of goals in your life, but you didn't able to achieve it alone. What happened if I assign to an accountability partner with a focus like Monk accountability? How is the journey?
Yes.
Explain
Yeah,
about
the journey in that focus like Monk accountability is that being
it. Mm,
accountable to somebody increases the sense of responsibility, and you
mm-hmm,
feel that if you are not going to do that work, so at times, even if you are not able to or you're not willing to, still you push yourself. I
mm-hmm,
have to do it today. I have to spend that 90 minutes slot with that accountability
mm,
partner.
mm,
And as you clearly mentioned, to pick only one goal for this month. So
mm,
I have picked up the goal for which again I was procrastinating for a long time.
mm.
So I have
Awesome.
taken that goal. I have started making notes
Mm-hmm,
for my students, which I was
mm-hmm,
procrastinating and not doing it,
mm-hmm.
and thinking that I don't have time with me. So
Awesome.
now, now
Mhm.
I
Now, what
have
the progress? What is the
yeah,
progress?
I have completed 4 chapters. So
Awesome.
I am on track.
Awesome.
A
Great.
4 chapter means like 4 units,
Yes.
so it's like not exactly 4 but 6.
Mm,
So I am on track on that.
mm-hmm.
So that has really helped to utilize that time for something constructive.
Awesome. Awesome, Sachin. When I You know, I know that people will procrastinate since years, since months, because we set goal and we forget it in our backside of our mind. Oh my God, we have to do it, but there is no time, lot of distractions, family is not supporting, your environment is not supporting. But you know, the problem is inside your mind. The problem is your productivity. If you raise your productivity levels to next level, now Sachin, you got the results, right? You got time to write notes. You got to write, you know, you got time to prepare your notes for your students. How is it possible? Because of that focus like monk accountability, right? Congratulations, Sachin. You know, I'm very grateful for you. I will interview you once again once you get even more results. Okay?
Yeah, definitely. Congratulations to you, Ramesh. You
Yes.
are doing a great job and
Yes.
inspiring us all. I mean, the
Yes.
community is growing and
Mm,
the people are interacting more. Earlier,
mm,
they used to interact less, but now they're even interacting more and helping each
yes.
other
Fire.
to
It is
achieve
called fire on
to
productivity. We are
achieve
on
greater
fire.
heights. To achieve greater
Mm,
heights. And the best
yes.
part, Ramesh, is which I found, which
Mm-hmm.
could be, I'm not sure about any other coaches at all, but yes, you are available to us and you are approachable to us.
Mm,
You are just a phone call away or a message away.
yes.
So I think that
Yes.
is the best thing.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever we lose the motivation,
Mm,
I keep on listening to the audios which you send in the morning some days.
mm.
So that really pulls me back.
Awesome. Awesome, Sachin. You
So
know,
thank you,
this is a
Ramesh.
journey.
You are
Productivity is
awesome
a
too.
journey. You know, more power to you. If you're someone who is watching this on YouTube or Facebook, hit the like button. Subscribe to this channel where we are posting a lot of interviews like this with a lot of concepts. If you want results like Sachin, want to kill your Facebook addiction, want to get rid of procrastination, click the link below. Join my next bootcamp starting from the next Sunday. Thank you for watching. This is Ramesh Yadav. Thank you for your time, Sachin. Bye.
Yeah, thank you, Ramesh. Thank you so much.